What's the meaning of broad jump? Broad jump. Broad jump.
Broad jump. Broad jump. The broad jump, also known as the long jump, is a track and field event where the athlete runs down a runway and jumps as far as possible into a sandpit. The distance is measured from the takeoff board to the closest indentation in the sand made by any part of the athlete's body. The athlete must take off from one foot and land on both feet. The length of the jump depends on various factors, such as the athlete's speed, strength, technique, and agility. The broad jump is often included in multi-event competitions, such as decathlons, and is popular in both amateur and professional athletics.